Hello and welcome to this Master People platform tutorial, where we'll show you what to do when using Master's generic sales criteria. Start by going to Templates on the left-hand side. Create a new template by clicking here and name the template. We can name it Salesperson. Then add MPA. And also add a criteria. You can name the criteria, for example, Account Executive. Then go to our support page and find the criteria called Account Executive. And then transfer this criteria into the system like this. And when you've added the first criteria, you can create the second one, which we will call Key Account Manager. And then you add the traits for that one as well. Now we've added both criteria and also the prioritization for every trait. Then we click Done, and as you can see, our criteria is right here. Then you go over to Action and Create and Publish. If you want to revisit the settings, then just click Create and then click on MPA and go over the settings. Now, as you can see, they are all done. You can also see the criteria that we put in over here. So as you can see, we are now in the assessment view. We have an assessment called Salesperson. The criteria has been transferred as well as all the settings, and it's time to add people. So click Add People. And then you insert their names here, and I will show you how it looks if you have a person already in the system. So if we start here, we will add Sammy. You will find him here, and if you click him, he will be added to the assessment. Now we go to the analysis view over here. I'm going to open up the advanced button and add both criteria. I will add Sammy and change the analysis to criteria match, and this one to criteria to people. This will provide an analysis of how the individual matches both salesperson criteria and to what extent, and you can see it down here. If you want to create a PDF of this, you click up here and it looks like this, or you can take a screenshot if you prefer that. That's all on how to work with our sales criteria for MPA. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. You can reach us at support@master.se or on the phone on +46 8 32 42 42. Thank you for watching.